If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to follow our Facebook page. The link is given in the description. Hi friends, this is Anusha again with a new topic, that is using the mirror formula and magnification formula. So let us go into our topic now. Our formula is first mirror formula. What is mirror formula? What is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. In this, concave, convex we will take. Okay, f in concave, u in concave, v in concave, hi in concave, h naught in concave. What are the values for these? We will see first. Now, let's go. F, U, V. Concave, concave. This is the concave. Fold. Focus, center of curvature. If I keep object here, this will be from here, the incident ray will be in this way. The object distance will be from P to AB, suppose. Object distance will be AB. From here to here. From here to here the object distance will be. From here to here the object distance. Means in the reverse direction. Like this the object distance, U. The incident ray is in this direction. From left to right. The object distance is from right to left. So it is in opposite direction. Negative you need to take. What you need to take? Negative, minus. If they give concave mirror object distance 10 centimeter, you are supposed to take u is equal to minus 10 centimeters. With sign signification you are supposed to take. And next, if I keep image here, suppose the image is formed here, B dash, A dash. This distance is called as what? V. What? V. V is nothing but what? Image distance. Incident light is from here to here, from left to right. Left to right. But here object image distance you are measuring from right to left. Image distance you are measuring from right to left. Image distance you are measuring from right to left. So opposite direction. So it is what? Negative. So it is what? Negative. Now, coming for focus. Incident light is this side. Focal length. But focal length you are going to measure from pole to here. So it is what? Negative again. And height of the object and height of the image. Height of the object. See. This is a real image is formed here. And inverted image is formed. And for the height, you are supposed to take, need not to consider this incident light and all. For the height, you are not supposed to. This is object height, h naught. Image height, hi. You need not to consider about the incident light, h naught. Above the principal axis. Above the principal axis. So, height of the image will be positive. hi below the principal axis. Below the principal axis. So, negative. Got it? If in the concave mirror, if this is a real and inverted, if it is formed a virtual image here, if it is formed a virtual image here, then height of the image it is above the principal axis. It can be positive for the virtual case. For virtual case, it will be positive. Erect, right? Above, positive. Next, convex, coming for convex mirror. See. This is your convex mirror. This is the pole. This is the focus. This is your center of curvature. So, now the distance, here the object is kept, isn't it? Object is kept in front of the mirror. It is measured from left to right. Left to right. But this will be your object distance from pole to this side. Object distance. This direction. Object distance. So, from left to right is the incident light, but you are measuring from right to left. So, here it will be negative. Here it will be negative. Always in convex mirror. Always in the convex mirror. The image will be formed behind the mirror. Image will be formed behind the mirror. So, this distance, you see. This distance will be what? From right to left itself. From pole to this, right? From pole to this. From pole to this. Then left to right. Pole to this. Left to right. Same direction of incident light. So it is positive. It is what? Positive. Next, focus. Focus also in the same. Positive. Next, height of the image, always virtual and direct image. So, here it is positive. Here, height of the object above the principal axis. Don't consider with left and right in the case of height. Only the principal axis above and below you are supposed to take. This is also what? Positive. So, always the magnification formula will be given with this. See, magnification formula will be given like this. M is equal to HI by H naught. Image, height of the image by height of the object. If the height of the object, height of the image, in maximum cases they don't give. Another formula is also there for that. Minus V by U. Means in the formula, if the height of the image and height of the object is not found, but they ask you to find what is the image size and all. First, object distance, image distance by object distance minus V by U. Always M magnification will be positive for convex. It may be negative or positive for concave. Got it? Next, if M is greater than 1, if M is greater than 1, then image is, if it is greater than 1, image is larger than object, bigger or enlarged, If M magnification is lesser than 1, if it is lesser than 1, then image is diminished, means smaller than object. Smaller than object. If M is equal to 1, if M is equal to 1, If m is equal to 1, image size is equal to object size. Image size is equal to object size. And next, I want to add one more point here. For a plane mirror, importantly I want to add you here. For a plane mirror, m is equal to 1, means image size will be equal to the object size, same size. Image and object will be the same size. As we have discussed earlier about the mirror formula and magnification formula, let us solve some problems regarding that. Okay, so this is one of the problem. They are asking us find the size, nature and position of the image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters. Now, what all they have given, they have said that is a concave mirror, isn't it? In the front of concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. This is the pole. This is focus. This is what? Center of curvature. So the size of the object is 1 centimeter. Means height, you can say. HI is placed at a distance from pole to object distance will be how much? Distance U is equal to 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. And the focal length is 10 centimeters. This focal length means from the pole to focus is your focal length, small f, is equal to 10 centimeters. So the light will be instant from the object, isn't it? So this is the direction from where to where? From left to right. But all the measurements you will take from pole to object, pole to focus. Like this we are going to take, isn't it? So so what all they have asked, first let us write down solution. They asked size of image, means HI. They asked nature of the image. What is the nature of image and where the image is placed, the position of the image. So first, what are the things available with us? You need to write the values. What are those? They are U is equal to how much? How much it is? 15 centimeter. But here you are supposed to use your sign convention, minus, and F. F is also in this direction, it is instant ray, and opposite to that you are measuring. F is also minus 10 centimeters. We have V? No. Another value we have is H. O, object, height of the object. As it is above 1 centimeter. As it is above, this is not the image. For this I have drawn it. Okay. HO is equal to, first formula we are going to use is mirror formula. When you write the formula to get good marks, you are supposed to put it in the bracket. So that immediately the invigilator will go into this and he will check the answer and it will be very clear and neat. So 1 by, what is F value? Minus 10 is equal to 1 by, what is U value? Minus 15 plus 1 by V. So, you know, minus 1 by 10. If this minus comes equal to this side, plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by V. So let us do LCM 10, 15. LCM will be 5. 5 2s, 10, 5 3s. These two will not go in one table. So now 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So LCM is here is 30. LCM is 30. Now minus 1 by 10 into 30. 0 0 get cancels. Here 3 into 1. 3 minus into plus minus. Minus 3 plus 1 by 15. This into LCM. How much? Into 30. Then 5 1s, 5 2s. Isn't it? 2 is equal to 1 by V. 1 by V. Now, minus 3 plus 2 will give you what? The higher number, minus and plus, opposite signs, you need to subtract it. Which one has a greater? Minus. Minus 30 is equal to 1 by V. V is equal to how much now? Minus 30. Then what is U? U is 15. V is minus 30. Minus, in the sense, in the concave mirror, you know, if it is minus, means, if it is minus, means in front of the mirror it has formed. Then it will be a real, what is the nature then? Nature will be real and inverted. Now, next one, what you need to find here? Here you are supposed to find size of the image. For the size of the image, you have magnification formula. What is the magnification? M is equal to, what is the magnification formula? Minus V by U, that is equal to how much? Hi by H naught, isn't it? Hi by H naught. Now, minus is given. These values you have. What is minus of minus 30 by, what is U? Minus 30 is equal to how much now? You don't know this value. You need to find Hi by H naught, how much? 1 centimeter. Now, minus into minus plus 30 by minus 15 is equal to Hi. Isn't it? Height of the image. Then height of the image, how much? See. Now height of the image, how much? Hi is equal to, how much you are going to get, ma? Plus 30 by minus 15. Once 2. Hi is equal to minus 2 centimeter. If you don't put here centimeter, as it is a distance, you are going to lose your marks. Minus 2 centimeters. So how much height is? Height of the image is enlarged. You can see what? Enlarged. Image is enlarged. Height is more, isn't it? Image is enlarged. Enlarged image is formed.